Welcome. This is a gentle attention restoration breathing practice, a research-backed technique to help rebuild your focus and restore your minds to concentrate deeply. This method uses specific breath patterns that calm your scattered nervous system and strengthen your capacity for sustained attention, helping you transition from mental fragmentation back to clear, focused presence. It's especially helpful for those who feel mentally scattered, struggle with concentration, or experience that feeling of constant mental static. Find a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes and allow your breath to settle. Take a full, soft breath in through your nose and let it go slowly. Let your shoulders drop. Soften your jaw. Attention restoration breathing uses single-pointed focus to rebuild your concentration and restore mental clarity. It can help with scattered thinking and difficulty focusing. If you're feeling mentally fragmented, this practice is for you. We'll focus only on the sensation of breath. This trains your attention like a gentle workout for your focus. Feel the air moving in and out right at the tip of your nose. Notice the temperature, cooler on the inhale, warmer on the exhale. If your mind wanders, simply return to this single point. Each return strengthens your focus. Breathe in naturally and out. Keep your attention right here at the nostrils. In and out. When thoughts arise, gently return to the breath. Continue focusing on this single point. In and out. Feel the air moving at your nostrils. Breathe in and out. Breathe in naturally and out. In and out. Notice the temperature changes. In and out. Feel your attention collecting at this single point. Breathe in and out. Your mind learning to rest in one place. Notice how your attention feels now. Perhaps more collected, less scattered. Take a natural breath in and exhale without effort. Practice this before important tasks, when feeling scattered, or anytime you need mental clarity. Let's take one last gentle breath together. Inhale softly through the nose and let it go slowly. Thank you for practicing with me today, and I wish you well.